Hi everyone, welcome back to another CHELEGANCE video. Today we are taking a quick look at something very simple but actually quite important for antenna performance and installation. The radial plate designed for the JPC-12 portable antenna system. If you are already using the JPC-12 or planning to build a more stable portable HF setup, this small accessory can make a noticeable difference in how your system performs in the field. Alright, let's open it up. Inside the package, we have the radial plate itself. You may also find mounting hardware or screws included. It feels solid and well machined. The surface finish is clean, and the layout is designed to allow multiple radial wire connections, which helps improve grounding and overall antenna efficiency. So, what exactly is this radial plate for? In simple terms, it gives you a centralized connection point for radial wires when using the JPC-12 antenna system. With this plate, you can deploy multiple radios in a neat and organized way, instead of directly attaching wires in a messy or unstable configuration. It also makes setup faster in the field, which is great if you are doing quick deployments for portable operation or portal-style activities. This design is compact and travel-friendly. It doesn't take up much space in your kit, and it pairs directly with the JPC-12 system without completed modification. For anyone running portable HF, this kind of small accessory can actually help improve signal stability and efficiency more than you might expect. Overall, it's a simple but very practical upgrade for the JPC-12 setup. If you are looking to improve your portable antenna system and make your field setup more organized and efficient, this radial plate is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in next one. 73.